Howdy Hoopers, this is Shay Rippinger here of Hip the Hoopla. Welcome to, this is day 13, 3, for the World Hoop Day Dance Challenge. And this is an exciting time because we've only got 2 more learning sessions of the choreography and we'll be done with the whole dance. So that is going to be so cool. So what we are learning for this particular video, this portion of the song, is the second verse. So it's nice and short. It goes like this, and here, and here, and then here, 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 here. And then we're going to be repeating moves that we've already learned. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so let's get into this and learn this. And also stick around for the fun fact. So can help hooping increase your coordination? Find out at the end of this and I'll tell you how that can. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is, now just to let you know that you are looking at an exact mirror version. So mirror, if you can read this, no, but this you can review or see here. So this is a reverse view. So this is my right hand, this is my left hand. So as you're looking at this, so I'm starting down this, what we're going to be doing is starting with the matador, and that is going to be, and it's a nice slow count. So this is a fairly fast song, but this is a nice slow count. So what the matador is we're going to start the hoop down to the right, and we're going to bring this up around. You're going to do a slight schmear, wrap it around your head, and bring it down to the left. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to be reversing that. So we're going to start on the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So and actually on that 7, 8, you're going to bring this in. So you're going to scoot this in because the next count is we're going to raise up with the left hand. So left hand, and we're going to turn to the back, and we're going to pivot on the right. So we're going to turn 1, 2, 3, 4, and then grab with the right hand 5, 6, 7, 8, and return back to center. So let's try that again. So 1, 2, 3, 4 with the matador, 5, 6. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now what the matador is, let me go over that really quick, is you're taking your hoop and it's going to be, I call it the matador, and I do have a tutorial on this specific move, this combo move. And what you're doing is it's as if you're putting on a coat. You're going to be sweeping your hoop around as if you're going to be putting a coat or a hoop or a cape around on your back. So you're sweeping it around the shoulder and then saying, no, I don't want to wear it, and then throwing it back down. So sweeping it up and bringing it back down. So that's the matador move. Okay, so after that, we brought that in, stepped to the back, grabbed the hoop, stepped back to the front, and now we're going to do the wrap winder combo. So both the matador and the wrap winder combo were both specifically created this year for the World Hoop Day Dance. I'm very excited about that. Okay, so I also have a tutorial on this one. So if you want to work this out and get this all like really snazzy and with the snake arms and everything, great. If not, just do the best you can with this move. It's okay. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to take and wrap. So this is my right hand. I'm taking the hoop in the right hand and coming over the left shoulder. So I'm going to go over the left shoulder. This is going to wrap all the way around. I'm going to take the left hand, thumb down. So this one, thumb is up, and this one is grabbing, thumb is down. So very important here. So thumb is down, and then I'm going to pull this out. And then I'm going to reverse that direction. So I'm going to take thumb up on the left hand. I'm going to wrap over the right shoulder, and the right hand, thumb down on this, is going to grab the outside of the hoop and pull this out. So it looks wrap, grab, pull and extend, wrap, thumb up, grab, thumb down, pull and extend. So wrap, grab, pull, extend, wrap, grab, pull, extend. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, and I'm doing a little bit of snake arms with this. Again, if you just get this and wrap this out, it's going to naturally wrap, and you don't have to really worry about putting on all the effort into the snake arm. But if you want to get this kind of fun, definitely get that and get that hips going on now. Okay, and then that's all the counts that we're learning for this portion, and then we go in and we review this portion here. We wrap it down, wrap it down, float it down, float it up, in, and then we're all the way back to the chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, schmear, schmear. 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, blanking out. 1, 2, 3, 4, out, in, and then 3 circles, 3 circles, 3 circles, and then we spin it, hands up, hands out, disco, wrap, cross, cross, open it up, and if you want to, you can just place the hoop on you and do this around if the arms are too much, or you can also alternatively take the arms out if that's a little easier for you. So there's 3 alternative variations for that we've already gone over, and then you're going to come out. You're doing that 3 times, 1, 2, 3. So 3 circles, 1, 2, 3, grabbing the hoop and stepping out again. And that's all the counts for this section. Now let's try that all with the music. Actually, let's try that without the music, just marking through those moves. So we're starting with the matador. So we come out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wrap 1, 2, out 3, 4. Wrap 5, 6, out 7, 8. Then come down, up, 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 twist, 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 down, 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 open, open, open. Float, 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 float. Okay, and then center, head, shoulders, hips. Okay, so let's try that with the music. This part of the dance starts at 1:30. So let's start this. Hopefully the music is at a good level for the video. All right, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wrap, out, wrap, and out. Then down, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Float it down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, float it down to the right, float it up to the left. Center, head, shoulder, hips. Into the chorus. Schmear, schmear, into the chorus. Kick it out, kick it out. One last 4, bounce, out, and circle, 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 circle. And then up, out, disco spin, cross right, cross left, circle it around, circle it around, grab, step out. Okay, and then we will be on to the ending. Okay, we'll try that one more time, and then we will be done with this section and this video. Nice and short. Okay, let's cue up the music one more time. Bear with me for just a moment while I try and get us queued up. There we go. All right, ready? We're starting with the matador down to the right, and then bringing it up around to the left. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wrap, round to the right. And come in, turn it to the back, turn it to the front. Wrap, spin out, wrap, and out. Down, up, up, down, float it down, open it up, down, float to the right, float up to the left, center, head, shoulders, chorus. Schmear, schmear, bounce, kick it out, in 3 circles, and hold, up, out, disco circle, cross in, circle it around, or you could be doing this, and then take it out, that's it. Okay, so now, and then we have this fun part at the end, and I have a really special surprise, so tune in for the end counts, because we have a special really special surprise. I have to tell you, it has to do with international. All right, so now you stuck around this long. How can hooping increase your coordination? I'm going to read this because I already wrote it down. So hooping is a great way to increase your coordination because movement incorporates intention, learning, and dance all increase the brain and body connection. That's pretty cool, right? Because when you do more of this, you improve the signals between your brain and body, and the coordination is a part of that. So isn't that pretty cool about how learning how to dance, you're going to put all these neural pathways. Remember, the right side of the brain controls the left side of the body, apparently not speech, and the left side of the brain controls the right side of the body. So we want to get that all coordinated in with our hula hoop dance. So, and a lot of people call it hula hoop, and we've already covered this. So it's not technically hula, that's a Polynesian dance. But anyway, you already know that by now if you've stuck around with the fun facts. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Rock on, peace out. We have one more learning video, and then we have the wrap-up choreography and a couple of bonus extras. So tune in. I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Rock on, peace out.